Hi, hello, this is Mike, and if I turn the camera around, you will see that this is the inside of Sally, and I don't know if you can pick it up, but there is, let's step inside. There's a cable there, and there's a cable there, and it is attached to both sides of the skylight. Unfortunately, I had a bit of a mishap, unforeseen. A very strong gust of wind took the skylight early in the morning and completely ripped it off. So I will actually climb up said ladder on top of Sally, and I will show you. I gotta go careful because I am 70 years old, you know. So right, there's the skylight, and see if we can pick it up on camera. There is a complete, there's my finger, there's a complete chunk missing, and there is a split all the way along the front right to the underside, so the skylight came away from the hinges completely. You can just about make out the 4 black hinges. So, and I am going to repair it. As you can see, I got 3 solar panels, my internet aerial, there's my TV aerial, but I don't watch terrestrial TV in the van. So, how am I going to repair it? Do bear with me for a moment. As you can see, my head sticking up over the ladder. I'll be back in a moment. Hello, I'm back. Right. So, we got a long piece of angled aluminium, as you can see down the edge. And what I'm going to do is, bear with me, I am going to slide and glue that piece of aluminium all the way and attach it to the front, and that should mold the aluminium strip to the roof light and to the hinges, in theory. Oops, cap is floating around. You can probably hear the wind on camera. That's it. It does look like a pig's ear, but it's better than actually, nobody's going to see it unless you're up here. And if it keeps that rain out, and if it works, job done. We shall know tomorrow when I remove the tape from there. Gorilla tape there, a bit of Gorilla tape there, and there's some on the far corner like I've done there, because there was literally a great big chunk taken out of there. So the next thing to do is clean the top of the camper van at some point. Sally's looking a little bit green. So this is me on top of Sally. What fun. Sally's the camper van, by the way. So I had to come home from my adventure, so I'm missing the Easter weekend. But then again, with all this wind and rain and snow in places, I'm not really missing a lot. Better to repair my camper van than sort of like hang around stuck on a park up somewhere. Here I am, sat back in the captain's chair, the passenger captain's chair that swivels all the way around. And let's see, underneath the bed, first of all you've got a 124 litre freshwater tank. Then you've got a leisure battery sat next to that, and approximately under where the keys are to is the Truma gas boiler for heating the water. And in that little cupboard underneath, my secondary and leisure battery is connected in sequence to give me 12 volts. So that both batteries get use and they put at the same time. So there is the cooker. As you can see, it's sort of like a portable gas stove on the top, because I prefer to use that. It boils the kettle a lot quicker, and it's more economical to use a portable one than it is valuable, sort of like gas from a gas 6 kilogram bottle of gas, because if you're in the wild or somewhere out of the way and you can't get replacement gas, then I don't cook with the hob unit, not very often, because it is a lift up. I'll quickly show you. Move that to one side, put the kettle there. This is my toaster, a new addition, and I gotta tell you, it does cook toast better than the grill under there. And there's the oven, bit dark, you can just about make in there. Hardly use it, I just use it for storing me 2 rich monkeys and anything else. So there you go. There's the 4-burner hob unit with a drop down or lift up glass lid. Let's move that back onto there. Move the toaster and the rich monkey over. Kitchen sink with a bowl in there. And that's... oh, we ain't quite finished. I fitted a power point. That's a new addition I've done. At the moment it's running. You can see it jumping from 12.2 to 12.1. Why it's that low? Because normally it's about 13 volts. Because at the moment I've got the lights on and I'm cooling. Got my cool box plugged in. Yeah, that's a new addition. So we've got to get in a wardrobe. Close it. Light that comes on. Does it go out? There you go. It does work. At the bottom I keep my petrol generator. That is a 900 watt generator. And the gas bottle is kept in there. So that is the driver's side, or the off side, tour. Next, right, we'll move now from the offside passenger side, behind the driver's seat and the bed, the cooker and the wardrobe, to the opposite side, the near side, and there's the carpet in the doorway. There's a vent in the floor there. Underneath that seat, it is a storage area, and underneath the bottom of this storage area is where the gas heater is actually located. So that's a seat, a shelf I put in, a mirror I put in, the all round security cameras that I put in. I'll just zoom into there, and that's the 4 cameras. There's my son just out the front of the, and he's coming back in, he's forgot something, going in the house. I got that because somebody tried stealing my bicycle off the back of the van, and it could have caused quite a severe accident. So I put the camera on the back, both sides, and also the front, and that is the security camera control unit, which is remote controlled. So behind that seat is the cupboard where to keep the sleeping bags. This used to be a fridge freezer. I suppose it still is, with the doors missing, because it gave that a ghost on the gas. So I thought I would actually buy a battery powered one, a 24 litre that sits in the bottom of the old fridge freezer, nicely tucked away. There's the power point I put in to power the cool box. There's the shelves that are left for extra storage for food, and the freezer box at the top is also a storage area for food. So I haven't really lost anything. If anything, I've gained space, because it was, as you see, quite a large fridge freezer, and it wasn't being used to its capacity, and it was using a lot of gas. It worked off of mains, but very rarely that I would actually go to a main campsite. This is the shower floor. What I do, if I'm going to have a shower, I pull the mat out, and then you've got a non-slip surface, and what this then is, there you go, there's the toilet, there's the wash hand basin, the door moves out, as you can tell, by the runner, so we're pulling it out, exposing the slight extending runners. There's a shower head, so if I go down and undo the catch, pull the door open, it covers up the hinges, and then it sort of leaves you these levers. There's one for hot, one for cold, but I got the boiler set at 50 degrees, so that's just about above body temperature. And so just go in, shower, down on the floor, so I haven't got to squeeze out through a curtain or a glass door. So there's a shelf there, shelf there, shelf there for toothpaste, shower gel, sort of like other stuff. Toilet roll, kitchen roll up there, hairbrush, and wash hand basin, shaving mirror, spare gas bottles, the only place I had to put one, and me pee bottle. And here's my toilet. Oh God, what's that down in there? Oh God! Whatever it was, it's on the end of my finger. There you go. It's on the end of my finger. I gotta put down the camera. is it? What is it? Oh God!
Hadja. It's a chocolate Swiss roll, June.